Today on The Fly, we're doing a little Tiki number that I got for you guys, created by me. My name is Leandro Riva. This is The Educated Barfly. I like it when he talks more. I learn something sometimes. Let's get into making the cocktail. So today on The Educated Barfly, we are answering a challenge from our good friend Dave over at Booze on the Rocks.
So I'd like to challenge you, Leandro, to making a cocktail with a nutmeg flavor.
Dave challenged me to create a cocktail with nutmeg as a main flavor profile. When you think of nutmeg in cocktails, really you see it sprinkling the top of a lot of cocktails as like a final flourish or a little bit of aromatics, but you don't really see it inside cocktails very much. Obviously my brain kind of went to holiday drinks, but we can't do that. It's really hot out, so I challenged myself to put it into a very refreshing drink. And I think we've done a pretty good job. All right, so first thing we are gonna do is our nutmeg simple syrup. That's how I decided to interpret the nutmeg in the cocktail. We're gonna do half an ounce of pineapple juice. I'm using the fresh kind today. I forgot to put my citrus in, which is usually what I do first. So let's do that before we actually
ingredients first.
Yes, cheapest ingredients first. True dat. We're gonna do half an ounce of lemon juice. We're gonna empty the jigger first. And then we're gonna do a quarter of an ounce of creme de mure, which is blackberry liqueur. Half an ounce of Appleton 12. An ounce and a half, this nice swear jar, 6-year Canadian whiskey. Give it a little Scotia pebble as we do. Nice hard whip shake. And I like to whip shake until everything is sort of gone or mostly gone in the tin. And what that's giving you the opportunity to do is aerate your pineapple and get nice frothy pineapple, which is what you're gonna, it's gonna just be nice texture in this cocktail. All right, mostly done. And we're just gonna pour our frothy pineapple into our glass. Top it up with some pebble. And let's give it a nice sprig of mint, shall we? Like a bushy sprig. Is that bushy enough, Marius? What do you think? Should give it the old slappy poo. The old crushy pants too. All right, here we go. Voila. Appropriate straw for this guy. Yes, I know. It's a little bit weird to like assess my own cocktails because obviously I worked on this for a while and I really do enjoy it. I'm gonna try and give you a non-biased sort of review of the flavors in this cocktail. You get that nice pineapple right on the front. It's nice and acidic, but it's not overly acidic. I worked with Marius on that a little bit and he tasted some iterations of this cocktail and some of it was like a little bit hot and a little bit too acidic, right? At first I was using some overproof Ray and Nephew rum in there, so it was a little bit
Boozy.
Boozy, very boozy, which I like. I like very boozy, but it was like kind of unbalanced. This is nicely balanced. You get the nice creme de mure notes in it. The creme de mure that I have here is a house-made one, and what I actually do is make a wine-based creme de mure, and then I add a good bit of gin into it as well, so it lasts for a long time, but it has all of those nice botanical and savory notes and a little bit of that acid that you would get from that wine as well. So you have that playing in here. And you know what? You would think that all of this stuff would lose that nutmeg, but actually the nutmeg provides a really nice backbone to the cocktail and you have this little bit of spice on there. You got the Appleton 12, they're kind of bringing in those nice kind of tropical Jamaican rum notes. And then you have the swear jar, which is nice and spicy. It is a fantastic drink. So there it is, the cocktail, the Booze on the Rocks cocktail. I don't know, I didn't name this cocktail. I actually had a really tough time naming this cocktail. And I'm not that great of a cocktail namer anyway, to begin with, but this one, for some reason, I just had like a mental block. So I just started calling it Standard Tiki Cocktail #1. So I don't know if any of you guys have a better suggestion. You can leave them down in the comments if you like. Marius thinks I should call it the Demon Reaver.
Oh, the demon. What was no?
The Demon Reaver. That's
Demon
what people
Reaver.
call me in
The Demon Reaver. It's,
comments. The Demon
Demon
Reaver.
Reaver. Yeah.
I should call it the Leandrinator. How about that? The Leandrinator. That feels like a name of a cocktail that does something to you. You know what I mean?
But the Demon Reaver sounds like a Tiki one because it's like a demon and things, and you're sprinkling all that drugs on the top. Oh, no,
What? Sprinkling drugs
no,
on
no,
the
no,
top?
I got ahead of myself. Why didn't you sprinkle some drugs on top?
Why would I have what is that?
Nutmeg. So why didn't you sprinkle some nutmeg on top?
Should I? I mean, I guess I could have sprinkled some nutmeg on top. I didn't think about it. You know what? Bonus garnish, put some nutmeg on top and then you get more of that nutmeg flavor. I think that's a really good idea, but why did you call nutmeg drugs?
Can't you like smoke it or something?
That sounds like an old wives' tale. That's like,
I think so.
That's like people smoking banana peels and
No,
trying to get high from that, dude.
Nutmeg is
Really?
pretty sure, yeah.
I don't know anything about it. So now I'm gonna have to do some research into the drug that is nutmeg.
Don't do that at home, kids. Don't do it.
Yes, well, yeah, definitely don't do it at home. But do make this cocktail at home because that's what it's for. All right, guys, that's it for us. If you like this channel, then hit like, hit subscribe. Go out. Here's the thing, the whole reason that this channel exists is to make your cocktail dreams come true, and I hope that we did that. I hope we brightened your week just a little bit. And yeah, check out our website, theeducatedbarfly.com, for recipes. We've got articles, we've got our virtual bottle program. We've got some cool stuff going on there, so check that out. Check out our Patreon if you want to support the channel, or YouTube memberships. You can do either one of those. Definitely subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys on another time.